Hello students. Today I am back to teach you Computer Chapter 1. The part that I am going to discuss with you today is advantages and disadvantages of computer. So I will begin with advantages of computer, which means benefits or the good side of a computer. Number 1. Speed of the computer. A computer works very fast. It can quickly perform a large amount of work. Number 2. Huge storage capacity. A computer can store a lot of data and information. Number 3. Multitasking. As you all know, a computer can do multiple tasks at the same time. Number 4. Accuracy. A computer can do difficult calculations without making any mistakes. Number 5. Communication tools. A computer is used to send and receive messages, documents, and can make voice and video calls. Now we will learn about some disadvantages of a computer. Number 1. A computer cannot think or take decisions on its own. Number 2. Health trouble. Working on computers for long hours can damage our eyes. Number 3. Expensive. A computer is an expensive machine. It cannot be afforded by everyone. Now let us have a look at the pages of your computer book. So here we have the advantages of a computer. Let's read together. Dear children, we will not read all the points from here. Okay? So let's start. A computer is a useful machine. It has many advantages. Some of them are as follows. The first point, speed. It works very fast. It can quickly perform a large amount of work. Huge capacity. Huge storage capacity. A computer can store a lot of data and information. It has a large memory space. There is no need for you to read this point. Next point, multitasking. A computer can do multiple tasks at the same time. For example, you can play music while drawing. Don't read this point. Scroll down. The next point is accuracy. A computer can do difficult calculations without making any error. You don't have to read this point. Scroll down, and the last point is communication tool. A computer is used to send and receive messages, documents, and make voice and video calls. Now let us start the disadvantages of a computer. Although computer is a useful machine, it also has many disadvantages. Some of them are as follows. The first point is no intelligence. A computer cannot think or take decisions on its own. Suppose if you give an incorrect input, it will give you an incorrect output rather than correcting it. The next point, health trouble. Working on computers for long hours can damage our eyes. Not only that, sitting in a wrong posture while working on a computer causes back pain, neck pain, and so on. Make sure you take small breaks and sit in a correct posture. Scroll down. There is no need to read these points. And start with this, expensive. A computer is an expensive machine, therefore it cannot be afforded by everyone. There is no need to read environmental pollution because these points again you will read when you will go to the next class. Right, students? So go through the book again and again, read it loudly and try to understand it. And now it is time to go through a quick recap. Advantages of computer. Speed of the computer is very fast. A computer has huge storage capacity. A computer can do multiple tasks at the same time. It can do difficult calculations without mistakes, that is accuracy, and a computer works as a communication tool. Now, the disadvantages of the computer. No intelligence. A computer cannot think or take decisions on its own. Health trouble, as working on computers for long hours can damage our eyes, and it is one of the most expensive machine. It cannot be afforded by everybody. So children, I hope you all understood the advantages and the disadvantages of computers. And here we come to the end of chapter 1. In our next class, we are going to do the exercises that are there in the book. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.